Dear students, in this video tutorial, we will see how to enroll on Pharmaceutical Organic Chemistry Genomio platform and how to access the course. After opening the website, on the home page, you will see the Create New Account link is given. After clicking on this link, the new page will be open. On this page, you have to enter your details for creating your new account. As instructed, you have to choose your username. Here I am entering my username as my first name and last name. Then you have to enter your password, and the password must be at least 8 characters with 1 digit, 1 lowercase letter, 1 uppercase letter, 1 symbol. So here I am entering the password with these instructions. Then you have to enter your email address. Here I am entering my email address. The email address must be correct as all the activities are related and connected to your email address. So check your email address as you have entered the correct email address or not. Then you have to enter your first name, then last name, then city, then select the country, then you have to click on I am not a robot. After clicking on this, the puzzle is appearing that instructed select all images with chimneys. That there are 3 images containing the chimneys. After clicking on verify, it is appeared in green color. Then click on create my new account. After that, the new page will open. On this page, the message appears as an email should have been sent to your address at your email address, and it contains easy instructions to complete your registration. Then you have to click on continue. After clicking on continue, the site home page is open. Then you have to check your email for verification. In email, one email is received from Subodh Kamble and Subodh Pharma Learning account confirmation. After opening this email, you will see the message that a new account has been requested at Subodh Pharma Learning using your email address, and to confirm your new account, please go to this web address. Then click on the web address given in the email. After clicking on the link, the message appears that your registration has been confirmed. Then continue to click. After clicking, the website with your login is open. Then click on 3 lines at the top corner. Then click on Site Home. After clicking on this site home, you will see the message as welcome to Pharmaceutical Organic Chemistry 1 Genomium Moodle site and the available course, that is Pharmaceutical Organic Chemistry 1. Here the course name, the scope of course and outcomes of the courses are given. Then click on the course name Pharmaceutical Organic Chemistry 1 and go downwards Then here one link is given, that is enroll me. Click on enroll me. After clicking on this link, you will see you are enrolled in the course. Then at the downwards, you will see the content of the courses like this: unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4 and unit 5, and the activities are entered in it. You have to start from the first activity, that is announcements for pharmaceutical organic chemistry 1. Then here syllabus of pharmaceutical organic chemistry 1 is given, and the next activity of unit 1 is given, and here restricted mark is given as the you have to complete the first activity, that is syllabus pharmaceutical organic chemistry 1. Then you can able to open this folder. So firstly click on announcements for pharmaceutical organic chemistry 1. Here new page will open here, and the discussion forum is here. Then click on syllabus pharmaceutical organic chemistry 1. Then here the link for PDF of your syllabus is given. You can click on this link and you can download the syllabus. After downloading the syllabus, go to the next activity of 1st June to 5th June folder. In this folder, the two PDF files of the presentations of syllabus are given. You can download by clicking on these PDF links. After downloading, the PDF will be open, and here the presentation of the video are given. After downloading, you can go to the next activity, that is LED 1.1 getting started introduction to organic compounds. After clicking on the link, the page will open. In this page, the video is appeared. Click on play symbol. After clicking on the play symbol, the video will start. After watching this video, the question activity is given, that is LBD, learning by doing activity is given, and you have to click on the next activity, that is LBD 1.1, and here is one quiz is given and you have to solve this quiz, and only one attempt is allowed to attempt this quiz. After watching this video, only you can able to attempt this quiz, and click on attempt quiz now. Then the quiz will be open and you have to select the answers for these questions. Organic compounds are flammable. Here I am selecting true. Next, organic compounds have, here the instructions are given as select one or more, and four options are given. Here organic compounds have low solubility in water and low melting points. Then the next question is given, organic compounds have, select one or more, exhibit covalent bonding and exhibit chemical reactions are fast. Here I am selecting two options. All organic compounds contain the element carbon. True. And calcium carbonate is a dash type of carbonate. It is a inorganic compound. And you have to click on finished attempt. After that, the next page will open. Then you have to click on the submit all and finish. Here is one confirmation message will be given, that is I have to click on submit all and finish. After clicking on this, the grade marks will appear, that is 9 out of 10, as one answer is wrong, and in this question I have selected one wrong answer and one correct answer, so I have scored 1 mark in this question, as the feedback is also given that your answer is partially correct. The correct answers are exhibit covalent bonding and exhibit isomerism. Here I have select exhibit covalent bonding is correct and chemical reactions are fast is incorrect option. So 1 mark get less by me. Then you can continue to finish review, or you have to go to the next activity, that is LED 1.2. Likewise, you have to complete all your activities and you have to complete the course. See, here the activities which were completed are marked as tick mark yes, and the second activity, that is LED 1.2, is not completed, so the box is empty without check mark. So you have to complete the course one by one and you have to score more for the course. Best of luck for your pharmaceutical organic chemistry 1 course. Thank you.